Find the radius of the circle C. So let's have a look at the picture then. Now let's draw some stuff in. We've got the radius of the circle, so we can go to that tangent there from the center, and similarly the same the other side. This will be a radius r, so we can put them in here in the picture. So this angle here, because we're going to a tangent from the center of the circle, this will be 90 degrees, won't it? So we can label this distance x down to the tangent, and then the other distance here will be 6 minus x. So that's that. Now this triangle here, which is right angled, we can label this distance y down to here to the center from O. So here then, let's put the pieces in the jigsaw together. First of all, we've got y plus r will equal 6, haven't we? We've also got Pythag from these triangles, both sides. So we've got y squared is equal to the sum of the other two sides squared, x squared plus r squared. Now this looks useful because we can write y in terms of r. We've got r, we just need to write x in terms of r here. So if we look at this angle here, this is 30 degrees because it's half of 60. So the tan of 30, so the tan of pi over 6, which is tan 30, is 1 over root 3. And that's equal to the opposite, which is r, over the adjacent, which is x. So that tells us here, the third one, if we move the x up here, x equals r root 3. So, what have we got then? We've got y squared, which is 6 minus r from here. So 6 minus r squared is equal to x squared, which is 3r squared, plus r squared, which equals 4r squareds. So we've got 36 minus 12r plus r squared on the left is 4r squareds. Move everything over to the right. Take 1 off the 4, you get 3r squareds. Move the minus 12 over to plus 12r. And then move the 36 over also. Becomes minus 36, and there's nothing then left on the other side, is there? And I've written it down from right to left. Now divide by 3, and we get r squared plus 4r minus 9, minus 12 there, sorry. And we can see when we look at this quadratic, we can factorize r and r, and it's 6 2's, isn't it? With a plus 6 and a minus 2. And there's only, r is positive, so there's only this solution here. It tells us that r is equal to 2 centimeters.